Hi everyone, Ben here from RNIB's Technology for Life team. Today we're going to look at using Dolphin EasyReader with VoiceOver to access RNIB Reading Services. So I've got an iPhone here, so I'm just going to swipe until I find EasyReader and then double tap to open.
Docs, EasyReader. EasyReader, side menu, button.
And it's taken me straight into the My Book screen. So to access RNIB Reading Services, I need to find the side menu button and double tap to open the menu.
Side menu, button. My Books, button.
Now we're in the menu, I'm just going to swipe across until I get to RNIB Reading Services and then double tap to open.
Manage libraries, Bookshare, Sealer Library, Epic Books, Project Gutenberg, RNIB Reading Services. RNIB Reading Services, heading.
And now I'm on the RNIB Reading Services screen, which gives us a few options. We've got the options of search, my reading lists, latest, and categories. Today I'm going to perform a search for a specific book, so I'm just going to locate search and then double tap.
Log out, search field. Double tap to search field, is editing, character mode.
And now, rather than writing the search, I'm going to dictate. So to do that, I'm going to use two fingers and then double tap. Journey to the centre of the earth.
Insert your journey to the centre of the earth.
Now I'm going to locate the search button and double tap.
Search. Journey to the centre of the earth. Jules Verne, data audio. Online.
And we've been given two search results here. One is the EPUB version and one is the audio version. We want the audio version, which the focus is already on, so I'm just going to double tap to open it.
Journey to the centre of the earth.
And now we want to download the book, so I'm going to locate download and then double tap.
Jules Verne. Download button. Abort download button.
It now says abort download, which tells us the download has started. To get a progress of the download, we just swipe right once.
8% downloaded. Open button.
Okay, now the download is finished and it's taken focus straight to the open button, so we can just double tap.
Play. Use the rotor to access 15 seconds, 2 minutes, 5 minutes, book default, heading 1 only.
And again, it's taken the focus straight to the play button, so to start playing the book, I'm just going to double tap.
RNIB, supporting blind and partially sighted people.
And that's it, we've played a book. For more information about EasyReader, visit the Dolphin website at yourdolphin.com/EasyReader.